I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to download your account statements from Rogers, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, find the Billing or Account Statements section in the main menu. This is usually located in the top navigation bar. Step 3. Select Statement Period. Choose the specific time frame for the account statement you wish to download. You might see options like last month or custom range. Step 4. Download the statement. After selecting the period, look for the download button, which is typically labeled a download PDF or export. Click it to save the statement to your device. Step 5. Check your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's downloads folder to locate the statement. If you're using a browser, you might see a pop-up notification confirming the download. If you run into any trouble, make sure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes cause issues. Happy downloading!